5 days a week. A home with chip paint but steady heat. A wife in the kitchen, kids round the table. Not rich, not poor, but life felt stable. Savings grew in a coffee tin. You could dream and maybe win. Simple hopes and solid ground. 35 bucks, bought an ounce. Work meant something. Your hands built worth. You looked ahead, felt planted on earth. Real money, 1 ounce was 1 ounce. Had weight, had truth. Real money couldn't lie to you. Then came the year 1971. Gold stepped back and paper won. No vote, no sound, no marching feet. Just rules rewritten under the sheet. Limits vanished, numbers soared. They called it gross, but we earn no more. Real money, 1 ounce was 1 ounce. Had weight, had truth. Real money couldn't lie to you. Banks made money with a blink. None to lend, but all to sink. They charged us rent on made-up sums. Took our homes when the pay didn't come. 2 jobs now, still no land. Kids come late, can't afford to stand. 1 ounce today, 5,000 flat. What kind of game is rigged like that? Real money, 1 ounce was 1 ounce. Had weight, had truth. Real money couldn't lie to you. It wasn't laziness, it wasn't greed. Time was stolen, quiet as a breeze. Real money, 1 ounce was 1 ounce. Had weight, had truth. Real money couldn't lie to you. Gold didn't change, work didn't fade. They just swapped the ruler we